Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Guru Pro, where we dive deep into everything crypto related to help you make informed decisions. In today's video, we're focusing on something that every trader, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, absolutely needs to know: Kucoin trading fees. If you're looking to maximize your trading profits, minimizing fees can make a massive difference, and Kucoin offers some great advantages in this area. We'll also talk about how you can get 35% cashback on your trading fees using the referral code cashback50, which is something I really want you to take advantage of. But before we get into all that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the future content. All right, let's jump in. First off, let's talk about Kucoin's basic trading fees. In a world of competitive exchanges, Kucoin stands out with its relatively low fees, which is a big win for those who are looking to trade frequently. Kucoin spot trading fees start at 0.1%. For both makers, those who provide liquidity to the order book, and takers, those who match existing orders. This fee is pretty standard across many exchanges. But here's the kicker: Kucoin offers discounts when you hold their native token, KCS, Kucoin shares, and use it to pay for fees. You can get up to a 20% discount if you pay with KCS, which is a pretty sweet deal. Now, let's talk about futures trading fees. This is where it gets even more interesting. For futures trading, Kucoin has a slightly lower base fee of 0.02% for makers and 0.06% for takers, which is one of the lowest rates in the industry. If you're using leverage to trade on futures, these savings can really add up, especially for high-volume traders. This makes Kucoin a strong contender if you're into futures trading. Okay, so we've talked about the fees, but here's the deal that I think will really make a difference for you. Kucoin offers a referral program that can help you cut down your trading costs even further. By using the referral code cashback50, you can get 35% cashback on your trading fees. This is not a limited time offer. It's available to anyone who registers through that link, and trust me, the cashback can add up quickly, especially if you're a frequent trader. So, if you're serious about maximizing your profits and minimizing your costs, don't skip this step. The link to register will be in the description below, as well as in the comments section. Now, this is a great opportunity, but don't forget that the cashback is based on the total fees you pay on Kucoin, so the more active you are, the more you stand to gain. Let's dive deeper into why Kucoin's fee structure can work to your advantage. Low base fees. As we've mentioned, the base trading fees are already very competitive. Whether you're trading spot or futures, you won't be paying the high fees that you find on some other exchanges. For those who trade in volume, this could save you a lot of money in the long term. KCS discount. The ability to pay trading fees with Kucoin shares, KCS, is a great bonus. If you're holding KCS, you get discounts of up to 20% on your fees. If you're already planning on using Kucoin frequently, it makes sense to buy and hold KCS to take advantage of these reduced fees. 35% cashback with referral code. As we've already discussed, the referral program offers 35% cashback. This isn't just a one-off. You'll continue to benefit from this as long as you keep trading. This cashback can help you save money and reinvest it into your next trades. Tiered fee structure for big traders. Kucoin has a tiered fee structure that rewards users who trade larger volumes. As your trading volume increases, your fees decrease, so if you're planning to trade at scale, this is a massive bonus. However, no platform is perfect, and there are some considerations to keep in mind when using Kucoin. Complex fee structure for beginners. If you're new to crypto trading, understanding all the different fee structures, from spot to futures, KCS discounts, and cashback options, might be a bit overwhelming at first. But don't worry. I'll break it down for you, and there are plenty of resources available if you need help navigating the platform. Withdrawal fees. One area where Kucoin isn't as competitive is withdrawal fees. While the trading fees are low, the fees for withdrawing assets can be a bit higher than some other exchanges, especially for certain tokens. It's worth factoring this in if you plan on withdrawing a lot of crypto from the platform. Not as beginner-friendly as some competitors, while Kucoin is an amazing exchange for advanced traders, Beginners might find the interface a little bit overwhelming. But again, once you get used to it, the flexibility and range of features it offers are hard to beat. Now that we've gone over the advantages and disadvantages, I want to leave you with a few practical tips that can help you maximize your trading experience on Kucoin. Use KCS to pay for fees. As I mentioned earlier, using Kucoin shares, KCS, to pay your trading fees can help you save up to 20%. If you're going to be trading frequently, it makes sense to buy some KCS and hold it in your account. It's a simple but effective way to reduce your costs. Use KCS to pay for fees. As I mentioned earlier, using Kucoin shares, KCS, to pay your trading fees can help you save up to 20%. If you're going to be trading frequently, it makes sense to buy some KCS and hold it in your account. It's a simple but effective way to reduce your costs. Leverage the cashback. Make sure to use that referral code cashback50 when you sign up to get 35% cashback on your trading fees. It's a no-brainer to take advantage of this offer. Every little bit helps, and it can add up quickly if you're an active trader. Track your volume. If you're going to be trading high volumes, keep an eye on your trading tier, as Kucoin offers better rates as your trading volume increases. The more you trade, the more you save. So, try to plan your trades to hit those higher volume tiers for the best fee reductions. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about Kucoin's trading fees and how you can maximize your savings using the referral code cashback50 for 35% cashback on your trading fees. Whether you're trading spot or futures, Kucoin offers one of the most competitive fee structures out there. If you're planning on signing up, make sure you use the link in the description and the referral code cashback50 to start saving today. I really want you to get the best possible deal, and this is a fantastic opportunity to boost your profits. As always, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and insights from Crypto Guru Pro. Until next time, happy trading and may your profits soar.